I got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10. Alright guys, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. I'm Laura Ashley, and today we are going shopping at Dollar Tree for affordable makeup. So this is going to be affordable makeup shopping with me, Laura Ashley, your pro makeup bestie that's going to teach you how to beat your face. On today's Dollar Tree makeup list, hold on, I'm going to put it on the screen. Foundation, concealer, primer, lashes, mascara, batteries, color correction concealer. So I already have a few products from the Dollar Tree. I have like blush and stuff, but I also have my own line that is affordable, www.allbarbiezy.com. So I'll be using my lip liner, lip gloss, and blush from my own brand probably. I also have lash glue, but I'm going to get lashes from here even though I have lashes. I just want to show y'all that you can get super affordable lashes that are still okay. They still not going to be all Barbiezy that, but you know, they'll eat. Anyway, let's go ahead and go in the store.
Fashion week is more your thing than mine. I can't even.
Okay guys, so they have makeup brushes and they're cute.
Well, this could be for the dog treats.
The little sprinkle handle. That's cute. Cute, right? They have all kinds of brushes. They have multiple ones. I think they have like 3 different kinds. So that's nice. They're all $1.25. So they have the Barbie sunglasses, guys. Remember they were giving those away at the Barbie premiere?
What a great time. Look, they have more of these.
That is cute. It's like a little candy dispenser. What else could you use that for? They have a hair wrap, a microfiber hair wrap for your hair. Use this for your body oil. This for your body oil. But it's glass, y'all, so don't drop that shit. Mom, those are so cute. Those are adorable. I'm not even kidding. You know I love those. But do we need more is the question.
We don't need more.
Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness, they have facial cleanser, y'all. This is cute. They have a rose facial cleanser. There's a lot of cute stuff here, y'all, at the Dollar Tree. So, if your man don't give you nothing for Valentine's Day, it ain't no excuse. My mother said get your own shit, but
Don't wait for somebody else to make you happy.
ooh, don't wait for nobody else to make you happy, y'all. You heard it here first.
Look at this.
Ooh.
It's a foil curtain.
I know, that's what I was saying was so cute. Isn't it cute?
But I don't know. Look, it's kind of thin. I feel like, you know how sometimes you put them up and they tear? It might tear.
Isn't that cute, y'all?
Very cute.
I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Oh, I got some brothers that outlive me.
Alright, y'all. So we made it to the section we're actually supposed to be in. And let's first off, all Dollar Trees are not equally yoked, y'all. I had to go to several Dollar Trees to find what I need. And I still don't even know if they're about to have my color. But we finna see. Hopefully they do. And if they don't, bitch, we finna make it work. And it don't look like they got my color. Color stay. I don't know what shade it's in yet, but it looks like it could work for an under eye. For a bright under eye. It's $1. And that's the card. I'm gonna get some lashes. Because this is an everyday look that we're doing. I know that I like these Yoni lashes. Those are pretty okay. I mean, they're still not all Barbiezy up lashes, but I guess they'll do. Oh. I want to try their color corrector so I can show y'all how to use color correcting. But this one is for redness. That ain't for my people. We would need more of a red one to combat darkness. Unless you're somebody who's red. But that ain't me. They got a freckle pen. That's kind of cute. I think I'm gonna try this. They have these Rimmel blushes, jelly blushes. Yeah, they don't clear. I'm gonna get a mascara. Actually, I'm gonna get the Wowie Lift one. But, actually, no, I'm gonna get that one. We finna see. What is that? Let's see, guys. I don't know what else.
You want makeup heaven right now?
No, not really. But we're gonna make it work for these people. Ooh, they could have had more black people shades. So this is what they think medium deep is. Like, are you serious? This is not medium deep. They have a plumping gloss. They have a plumping gloss here, y'all. I think I'm about to actually try that. It's our best bet.
And it has skin clear. Oh, your face is gonna blow the fuck up.
Mom. It ain't even fake. Oh my god. It's terrible.
Wait, is that...
Alright guys, we got everything. Now let's check out.
There we go. $26.48.
Look at that. The Dollar Tree don't got 50% off nothing.
No, they have it there. Oh, maybe it's the...
What makes you think it's 50% off?
Because it's the...
No, it's not. It does. You never saw them have 50% off anything.
Everybody got a deal. I did it without one.
Alright, guys. I'm putting on my eyebrow sheet up. A lip gloss. I just got home from the gym, but I wanted to unbox everything I got from the Dollar Tree. So I did check off everything I needed on the list. I only spent $26 in the Dollar Tree. Let me show you all. I only spent $26. Hold on. And I got more than things for just makeup. For some reason, my camera's having a hard time focusing. Okay. So I did get a few extra things, but I'm not about to show y'all that. So I saw a pink sauce in the Dollar Tree, which I thought was funny. And I also saw this Alani coffee. If y'all don't know, Kim did a lemonade with them. And ever since then, I've been wanting to try them, but I don't really be seeing it anywhere I go. But I saw it in the dollar store, which made me a little skeptical. But since I'm trying all this, I might as well try that. Alright, let's get started. The first thing that I did go ahead and get are these Yoni lashes. I just got a little wispy, natural light wispy set. It's 3D Fox Mink lashes. Faux mink. They claim to be homemade. We're finna see. I'm gonna try them out for y'all, but I definitely would recommend www.allbarbiezy.lashes. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're better quality. I got this. I got this. It's a new color BB cream, Benefit Cream. It's in the shade Dark 1. Child, I can't see nothing of what this color looked like, but this is the only thing in there that I could think that could possibly even be for a black person. I got this freckle pen because I know that people love these little fake freckles. That's definitely something that's in for the 2024 makeup trend, so I got that. I got a lip plumper because I am somebody who loves lip plumpers, and for the girls, it's not focusing, but I will show you guys in the makeup tutorial that I do. Y'all need to stay tuned to my channel for that and turn on your post notifications to be notified when I post a tutorial. But this is a Make Me Up lip plumping lip gloss. Raging Rose is the color. That's what it looked like. And we're going to see if it plumps our lips, okay? Then I got LA Colors, a color corrector concealer. This is in the color Peach. I got this because I want to start teaching girls how to conceal their dark spots. Even though when you're using higher quality products, you don't need to color correct really. But if you're using stuff like this, I'm thinking that you're probably going to need to color correct. I usually don't color correct, and as y'all see, I have dark spots. But I just don't do that because I'm using different products. But we're going to try something new. I'm going to teach y'all how to do an affordable makeup look that's bomb from a professional, bitch, period. From a 10-year pro makeup artist. I've been doing makeup for a very long time, and I know what I'm talking about, babe. This is a LA Color bronzer, Too Cheeky bronzer. It's in the color Bronze Babe. Love that. Which, I don't know if it's going to bronze me, but I was thinking this could be a good regular concealer for black people in case everything else comes out ashy. You know, I just had to make sure. I got this LA Colors. I actually like LA Colors regardless of it's from the dollar store, Family Dollar. Five Below has it, and sometimes I order it off Amazon. I've ordered it off Amazon before. I love their concealers and stuff, so this is a brand that you can always trust. If you see it, it's actually good. So this is the LA Colors Shimmer Twist and Line, and this is a Glide On Smooth Eyeliner in Pearly White. I thought this could be cute to line your eyes and give it a different effect. This was that's looking like. Then I also got this Rimmel Color Stay. So if I went to CVS right now or Walgreens or any drugstore, they would have this for like $5. Okay? So if you go to the dollar store and you see these white packaging, that's when they put drugstore makeup in the dollar store. I don't know why they do that, but they be doing that, y'all. I also got these adorable little brushes. I always get like cute little brushes that I see at the Dollar Tree because they're actually good and they be so cute, y'all. I've gotten so many cute little brushes from there. You would not expect it, and they be good quality. I'm sorry if I keep going out of focus. I don't know if y'all know this, but brushes really be very cheap most of the time, and they just put their name on it and upsell the price of the brush. So $20 brushes should not be that expensive, honey. I would say $8 max for one brush. If you're buying a singular brush, it should be $8 max, okay? And that's when the quality is there. It's gonna make me mad if I'm not in focus throughout this whole video, y'all. But then I got mascara from Yoni. I'm gonna try that out. It's the Volume Mascara. I then got, this is Maybelline, y'all, in a Dollar Tree. It's a highlighter. It's Strobing Liquid Illuminating Face Highlighter. It's in the shade Deep Gold. I kind of want to try to use it as a primer slash highlighter. We're going to see. I got this face wash because every good makeup look Y'all saw this when it was in the store though. Every good makeup look starts with a very clean base, honey. So I got this. I'm gonna try it and rate it 9 through 10. Hold on, let me do that again. I got this. Let's try it and rate it 9 through 10. Something like that. whatever the fuck Keith Lee said. This is for my mom. She wanted something cute to moisturize her lips, so we got that for her, even though she has all Barbie up. So, and that's everything, y'all. Hold on. That's everything that we got makeup related from the store. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it and get into it. Nobody tells you how much work it be to do these little videos, y'all. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I post my next affordable dollar store makeup tutorial. And it's going to be a soft glam. It's going to teach you guys how to get a bomb base. And it should be going up the same day as this video, but it's going to go up at a later time. This will be up around maybe 2, and the makeup tutorial will be up around 6. So make sure you guys tune in. We gonna see how this go. I'm a little scared. Should we call this the Dollar Tree challenge? Is this a challenge at this point? I think it's a challenge. Anyway, make sure y'all stay tuned, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And when you comment your favorite makeup product, period, and I will get that makeup product and I will test it out to see what it's really giving, and to see if we can find a dupe, or if I can recommend something better than that. But it might be good for you. It might be good for you and not for me, you know, and vice versa. It might be good for me and not for you. So just, we'll see. Y'all gotta, as we grow, I'll get to know y'all get to know me. Y'all can tell me if you have oily skin. I can recommend products for oily skin. If y'all have dry skin, I can recommend products for dry skin. Even though I'm looking a little crazy right now because I just came from the gym, guys, I am going to be filming more of my health journey, more of my everyday life, more of my business life, more of my makeup girly life, more of my eat girl life, more of my coming to the club with me life. New year, new me, 2024. Yeah, and I need to do a life update for the new year. But that's the tea, y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. Okay, period.
I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was